Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be getting into these Valentine's Day nails. I'm going to be using the Saviland Pink Poly Gel Kit. Saviland came out with a pink, blue, and purple, and I got all three. So this is the pink one. I did do a video. Well, I didn't do a video. I did a set with the blue one, and I just never posted it. So this is the pink. Comes with forms, duo forms, a magnet because there's cat eye polish. This is the spatula. It came with top and base coat, and it also comes with the slip solution. So these are all the colors that it comes with. I'm going to be using the solid pink one in the corner, as well as the one right next to it, which is glitter red. So this is what it looks like. The one in the pink packaging, you would never know it was pink because the nail on there is clear, but it's the pink one. So it's number 13. Then I'm going in with these hearts. I got two different shades of pink, and I'm using these white opalescent hearts, and pretty much those are the only things that I'm using aside from like stones and gems. So today I'm going to start by adding my tips. Now normally I would prep my nails first, but for some reason today, I don't know why, I just felt like I'm just gonna add my tips first. So I went ahead and I added the glue, and I started gluing on the tips to my nails. These tips are by Burano. They came in the Poly Gel Kit I used back in November for my Thanksgiving nails. And yeah, so I'm just adding those to my nails. I really like these tips because I love the shape. They're already shaped. I think they're a really nice length. You really don't have to take much off of them, as opposed to when you put on like those stiletto nails and then cut them into a coffin. These are already in a coffin shape. They're just perfect. If you cut them down, they become more of like a tapered square, which is ultimately what I ended up doing, but I love that coffin / tapered square look anyway, so it was fine. Now I'm taking a sanding band and my e-file, and I'm just, roughing up the surface of the tip and blending it into my natural nails. I've been trying this technique where I'm removing my nail for each set, but after this set, once I remove this set, I don't think I'm going to do that anymore, because I do find that it is a little more wear and tear on my nails personally. Because I'm not a professional, I do get a little impatient when it comes to, like removing my nails. Like I have to do it like 2 days prior, and I don't like the way my nails look without it. And then there's like this one nail, I think it's like my thumb, where it's slit down to the skin, so I have to have something on my nail. So yeah. So now that my nails have been prepped, I'm going to be dusting off the dust that comes with filing your nails, and then I'm going to start prepping my nails. So this is where I started pushing back my cuticles. I take my cuticle nippers and I remove all of the dead skin. I used to hate using the nippers, and I used to use a little scraper, but I've gotten really good at using the nippers, and I love the look of it when I do get like all of that dead skin off. I love to see it come off in one clean cut. It doesn't always happen, but I do get like a kick out of that. So don't forget to remove your cuticles. You can also chemically remove your cuticles. Sally Hansen has a cuticle remover, which is amazing. So just to make sure that I got it all, I'm going in with this small cuticle bit. I got it off of Amazon. Everything that I use on my nails, I got off of Amazon. Realistically, like just being honest, because again, I'm not a professional. So then I go ahead and I dehydrate and prime my nails. I think I lost the footage of me priming, but yeah, so I dehydrate and prime my nails, and then I go in with my base coat and I cure that for about 30 seconds. Then I start with the glitter red. I'm only putting the glitter red on my thumb and my ring finger. I'm not really used to using like glitter gels. It's really not my favorite, if I'm being honest. It was very sticky, kept sticking to the brush. If I add too much slip solution, it wasn't moving. If I didn't have enough slip solution, it was sticking to my brush. So This really wasn't my favorite color, but since I did it, I mean, I like the color, but it wasn't my favorite consistency. But again, like I said, since I did it on the other hand, I just, you know, just suck it up. Then on my index and middle finger, I'm using shade number 13, which is that solid pink. This one was a little more stiff, so it was a little easier to work with and mold and shape the way I wanted. So I do feel like that nail actually came out a little better. It came out better than like the thumb and my ring finger, but it's cool. So I have been just doing like one bead lately because I don't know, I prefer it. So I just add one bead at my cuticle. I flush out the cuticle as much as possible, and then I drag the product down to the tip and I thin it out at the tip, kind of like I would if I was using acrylic. I used to use acrylic when I first started doing nails, but the smell just stays in the house and it takes forever to leave your room, people complaining. So at least when I use polygel, I'm not bothering anybody. You know, I just sit and do my nails. Actually, when I was doing these nails, it was like 1 o'clock in the morning. I have a house full, so this was like a peaceful time for me. I was actually getting kind of tired when I got to this hand. Okay, so I put a bunch of the hearts on this little dish, and before I cured my middle and index finger, I put a couple of the hearts on my middle finger. I try to kind of do it in a slant, and this isn't in any particular order. I just kind of randomly placed hearts everywhere. The colors that come to mind when I think of Valentine's Day is red, pink, and white. But I didn't want to use red. I don't know, this year I just wasn't feeling red, so I did pink. Plus, pink is my favorite color. So here you see me using the glitter red on my ring finger. And then the difference between this and my other hand is I actually added glitter to my ring finger. Oh, actually I added glitter to both. Sorry, I'm just looking at it now. So yeah, so I'm adding hearts to the glitter as well. I think the difference is it's not on the thumb. What I did notice is this glitter is really thin, so it's more of like a jelly. I don't like jelly. Everyone has their own personal preference. I don't like jelly polishes, jelly polygels. I don't like them. They're not my forte. So I wasn't really a big fan of this pink one. I think it would look nice on top of something. So I did like it better putting the hearts on top of it because I think it gave it a really nice aesthetic. And I did encapsulate that using a clear polygel. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to go into filing. If my filing is done right, I can typically just do it with a hand file. I don't have to go in with the e-file. I do go between using an e-file and using the hand file. I think, you know, whatever you're comfortable with is good. You could tell my favorite color. I mean, look at my dust collector. It's pink. So now I'm just top coating all of my nails, and then I go in with whatever oil I'm going to use. But actually, you know what? I also added gems and rhinestones to these nails. On one hand, I added the rhinestones to the nail that doesn't have all the hearts. On this hand, I actually added it to the nails that have the hearts. I wouldn't recommend doing this. It's really hard to see the gem design, but I mean, I already did it on the other hand, so, you know, we just stuck to it. I also, on the index finger, went around the cuticle with pink and purple gems to cover the cuticle. And I used these caviar beads, the rose gold ones, to fill in any small spaces. And then that completes this nail tutorial. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more. Again, I am not a professional. This is just like I do my own nails, so I thought I'd throw in some nail videos here and there. So I hope you all enjoyed. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And have a very, very happy Valentine's Day, whether you are in a relationship or if you're not. Valentine's Day is or you can make it about love, and self-love is probably the best type of love there is, you know what I mean? All right guys, y'all have a good one.